I'm not taking a picture.
Oh,
I'm getting Henry. Look.
Oh, that one.
What is that?
I know you took that. Come on!
It's Beer Man. It's not Daddy. I am Beer Man. You respect my authority.
Oh, wait. I did not see this coming.
That's really scary.
I did not see that coming.
Uh-oh. Don't try to run.
I didn't try it. Okay. I knew that was a good
Beer
idea.
Man has superpowers.
Run!
Where's Henry? Is he hiding? Is he scared?
Run!
There he is.
Run!
Y'all better run. I think he's coming after you. They went in my room again. Where'd he?
I'm on the floor. Hide.
You think he'll be able to find you there? Be quiet so he doesn't see you.
Get them! Get them! I got it! No!
Hey, I heard the front door open. I wonder who it is.
Is somebody at the door?
Who is that?
I can't. Daddy.
That's Daddy. Does he have a box on his head?
One.
I'm not Daddy. I'm Beer Man.